Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a video about Danish idioms, and I have a bunch of idioms that all mean crazy. Yes, that you are crazy. We have a lot of ways to say you are crazy in Danish, but more colorful ways than just saying you are crazy. So let's get into it. The normal way of calling somebody crazy is this word, skør. Skør. Okay, so let's take a look at the idioms. Number 1. At have rotter på loftet. At have rotter på loftet. At have rotter på loftet. Yeah, you can see to have rats in the attic. Here's an example sentence. Der mange, der ser, at jeg har rotter på loftet. Der mange, der ser, at jeg har rotter på loftet. Der mange, der siger, at jeg har rotter på loftet. Number 2. At have roterende fis i kasketten. At have roterende fis i kasketten. At have roterende fis i kasketten. Yeps, to have rotating farts in the brain. Or in the cap. In kasket is actually a hat. Here's an example sentence. Jeg får fis i kasketten af den farve. Jeg får fis i kasketten af den farve. Jeg får fis i kasketten af den farve. Sådan. On to the next one. At have en skrue løs. At have en skrue løs. At have en skrue løs. To have a screw loose. Yes, this is the same in English, so you probably are familiar with this one. This one is you're just a little bit crazy. Lidt skør. Måske forvirret. Maybe confused. The other ones are a little bit more extreme, like you maybe are like a little bit more crazy than if you only have en skrue løs. Okay, I have one more for you. At have knald i låget. At have knald i låget. At have knald i låget. To have explosions in the lid or the brain. Yep. So, here's an example sentence. Alt tyder på, at din mor har knald i låget. Alt tyder på, at din mor har knald i låget. Alt tyder på, at din mor har knald i låget. So, that was 4 ways to say crazy, that somebody is crazy. What I love about these idioms is that it makes your language much more colorful and fun. So the next time you want to say that somebody is skør, maybe you could take one of these instead. Nå, men tak fordi du så med, og vi ses en anden gang. Hej.